Hey everyone, welcome to the Introspective Detective channel. My name is Alan Ray, and on this channel we explore life and the human experience through the lens of spirituality. In this video today, we're going to examine the question, how can I feel better about myself? How can we feel better about ourselves? That can be a bit of a far-reaching question, but I'm going to attempt to respond to this in such a way as to address a variety of different situations which could have caused you to click on this video. So, whether you're seeking clarity on how to feel better about yourself physically, at school or work, maybe you've just been through a bad breakup, or it could be just in general, I think we've got something here that can help. As with anything that we perceive to be a problem in life, the only true way to resolve it is to deal with it at the source. So if you're feeling kind of lousy right now, let's take a look inside and see what's going on. Close your eyes for a moment. We're going to do a quick system reboot. Now take a full deep breath and gently exhale. With your eyes still closed, move your awareness inward. We're going to release any tension or tightness that we encounter, and this all has a purpose. Start at the top of your head and feel your way down through your body. Let go of any stress in your neck, feeling your way down through your torso, your arms, hands, letting go anywhere you feel constriction or a pulling sensation. Now, continuing on, feel your way down through your stomach. A lot of us tend to hold negativity in this area. And then down through the legs and feet, just letting go and relaxing as much as possible. Okay, now slowly begin to open your eyes. Now that we've reset ourselves, let's get to the source of what's ailing you. Regardless of your circumstance, understand that it is your thoughts surrounding what is occurring and not the circumstance itself which are creating your pain and suffering. That's potentially either an empowering or an enraging statement, depending upon whether you're listening with the ego. But the underlying idea that we're proffering here is that rather than outsource your happiness to the care of circumstance, rather than make your emotional state dependent upon outside conditions, instead manage what's going on inside us. Now, here at this point, if you use introspection and truth, meaning we look inside and we're honest with ourselves, observation will show us that an unwanted thought surfaces first and is then followed by negative emotions. Fear, worry, anxiety, depression, the list goes on. When this occurs, pause for a moment and go within. Practice letting go of the painful thought rather than following it. Let go of the uncomfortable emotions rather than park in them, and dwell on them. Simply switch over to something more pleasant. Now, if there's an action that needs to be taken, regardless to the thoughts and feelings, then, by all means, take the necessary action. But regardless, change the channel that's playing in your head. And if you really want to empower yourself, meditation can show you how to turn the TV off. Learning to deal with any perceived problem at this level, meaning learning to manage thought and adopt more beneficial internal processes, is the way to lasting inner peace and happiness. This is how to truly feel better. And the more you begin to explore truth, You'll come to discover that everything you're currently undergoing has purpose too. If you found the information in this video to contain value, please click the like button and be sure to subscribe for future content such as this. Are you struggling in this area? Have you found strategies which have helped you to feel better about yourself? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. No matter what is troubling you, decide that you are going to feel better today. Own your happiness. Care deeply about how you feel. And the last thing I want to leave you with is remember, this too shall pass. Have a great day, everybody.